Welcome! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of unsupervised learning, where machines learn without direct guidance. If you're familiar with supervised learning, think of this as the opposite approach. Imagine unsupervised learning as a scientist exploring a new planet. There are no answer keys or labels. The algorithm is simply given a mountain of data. The core instruction is to find the hidden patterns, similarities, differences, and structures within the input data, without any target variable. Since the model doesn't know what it's looking for, how does it learn? The model uses mathematical techniques to group data points that look like each other, or to simplify complex datasets, relying purely on the data's inherent features. Unsupervised learning primarily tackles three kinds of tasks. The most common task is clustering, where the algorithm groups data points into distinct clusters based on their features, separating them into meaningful groups. For instance, a clothing brand might discover clusters like budget-conscious students or luxury shoppers in their purchase history, even without being told those groups exist. Beyond grouping, unsupervised learning excels at finding rules and simplifying data. Association involves finding rules that describe your data, such as discovering that people who buy product X also tend to buy product Y. This is essential for retail strategies. Dimensionality reduction simplifies complex datasets by reducing the number of variables while preserving the most vital information, acting like a summary of a very long document. Let's quickly compare unsupervised and supervised learning to solidify the differences. Supervised learning relies on labeled data, meaning inputs and outputs are known. Unsupervised learning uses only unlabeled input data, making it purely exploratory. The goal of supervised learning is prediction, while unsupervised learning aims for self-discovery and finding hidden structure. Unsupervised learning powers many tools we use every day. Recommendation engines like those on Netflix or Spotify use clustering to group users with similar viewing or listening patterns, suggesting content more like this. In banking, unsupervised learning is crucial for anomaly detection. It spots weird spending habits that deviate from the normal cluster, quickly flagging potential credit card fraud. While incredibly powerful, unsupervised learning presents a unique challenge. The biggest hurdle is that evaluation is subjective. You must use human expertise to determine if the discovered patterns actually make sense for your business or research goals. Unsupervised learning is the art of self-discovery in data, turning vast amounts of unlabeled information into actionable insights.